Even if you've been using Microsoft Office for years, you may be missing out on time-saving shortcuts. In this quick tip, we'll look at how to save time by learning key file management shortcuts in Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office applications, there are often multiple ways to perform file management, including working from the File tab or Backstage view, and even actions you can add to the Quick Access toolbar. However, keyboard shortcuts can be a quick way to perform an action right from your keyboard. So try these shortcuts in any of your Microsoft Office programs. To create a new document, workbook, PowerPoint presentation, even an email, press Ctrl-N for New. To open a file, Ctrl-O for Open. So these are mnemonic in that they're easy to remember. To save changes to a document, Ctrl-S for Save. And to save as, the F12 function key. To quickly print and preview your work, Ctrl-P for Print. And from here you can customize what that print job looks like. To close the active window, Ctrl-F4 or Ctrl-W. And finally, to close the application, Alt-F4. And the bonus is that these shortcuts work with not only Microsoft Office, but many other Windows programs. They're definitely worth memorizing. For more tips on being productive with Office or to sign up for my tips newsletter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/office. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. This is Bjork, the Software Pro. Thanks for watching.